Hey there, and welcome to Stick Verse Studio, a creative space where ideas come to life through stick figure storytelling. This channel is all about practical productivity, personal growth, and mindset shifts that move you forward.
Tell me more.
I've carefully curated 5 impactful videos that each explore a powerful concept designed to help you think deeper, grow stronger, and live better. Whether you're seeking motivation, clarity, or just a moment of reflection, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Lesson 1, persistence pays. Ever felt like life keeps knocking you down, no matter how hard you try? Like you take 1 step forward, and life shoves you 5 steps back. Just for fun? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that persistence, the ability to keep going even when things seem impossible, is the one skill that separates success from failure? Today we follow the journey of Leo, a determined stick figure navigating the unpredictable, chaotic, and often ridiculous game of life. Will Leo break under pressure, or will he push through and come out stronger? Let's find out. Leo starts his journey full of hope, full of dreams, and absolutely unprepared for what's coming. He has big plans, success, happiness, a life free from struggle. What could go wrong? Oh, everything. Obstacle number 1. The job hunt. Every door slammed in his face. Every interview ending in, "We'll get back to you." And they never do. Obstacle number 2. Finances. Somehow money disappears faster than it arrives. Bills, they multiply overnight. Obstacle number 3. Relationships. Friendships fade. People disappoint. Heartbreak happens. Every time Leo thinks he's making progress, life says, "Hold my drink." He starts to wonder, is it even worth it? At his lowest point, everything feels impossible. He tries. He fails. He tries again. He fails harder. He tries one more time, and life laughs. The temptation to give up is real. Because honestly, quitting would be so much easier. But something inside whispers, keep going. Instead of giving up, Leo tries something different. He learns from failure instead of fearing it. That job rejection, it pushes him to build new skills. The financial struggles, they force a smarter approach to money. The heartbreak, it teaches him self-worth. Slowly, things start to shift. Not because life gets easier, but because Leo gets stronger. One day after countless setbacks, something incredible happens. A door finally opens. An opportunity appears. A dream that once seemed impossible, it's happening. Not because of luck, not because of talent, but because Leo refused to quit. Standing at this new stage of life, he looks back. The struggles, necessary, the failures, lessons, the pain, proof of growth. Because persistence isn't about avoiding failure, it's about facing it, learning from it, and rising again. So what's your struggle? What challenge is trying to stop you? Whatever it is, keep going. You might be closer to your breakthrough than you think. And if this story hit home, share your journey in the comments. Let's remind each other that we're all fighting battles, but persistence always wins.
Thanks for listening.
Lesson 2, smash your goals. Ever feel like you're putting in the work, but not getting the results you want? Like you're running on a treadmill, but not moving forward? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to achieve our goals despite our best efforts.
Now hear this.
But what if I told you
Tell me what?
there's a simple formula that can help you break through the barrier and reach your full potential?
No, just hear me out. Just hear me out. Just hear me out.
It's called S equals P plus E plus A,
Oh, you're freaking out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
where S stands for strategy, P is plan, E is execution, and A is adaptation.
Tell me more.
Let's break it down. P is for plan. Think of a plan like your GPS. Without it, you're just driving with vibes. Sure, you'll move, but will you arrive? Take Elon Musk, for example. When he decided to make humans a multiplanetary species, he didn't just say, let's build rockets.
What did he do?
He mapped out timelines, testing protocols, supply chains, and funding rounds. The lesson here is that a dream without a plan is just a well-decorated fantasy.
It's been proven in scientific journals.
E is for execution. You've got the plan, Now what?
This is very important. Listen to me, okay?
This is where most people tap out.
I can show you statistics.
Execution is rolling up your sleeves and doing the hard work, the kind no one claps for. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance.
What about her?
She spent 7 years writing the first Harry Potter book, facing rejection after rejection. But she didn't give up. She executed her plan, and the rest is history.
Google it.
A is for adaptation. And just when you think you've figured it all out, life throws a curveball. Your product flops, your plan fails, or your timing is off. Welcome to reality. But here's the thing, that's not the end.
Then what is it?
It's just a pivot point. Remember Thomas Edison?
Sure, I remember.
He failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. But each failure was data. He adapted, and that's what made all the difference.
I'm not done yet.
So how can you apply this formula to your own life? Start by identifying your goal, then create a plan, execute it, and be willing to adapt along the way.
I only have fear.
Don't be afraid to pivot when things don't go as planned, and most importantly, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Now it's your turn. What's your goal? What's holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's work together to unlock our full potential.
Thanks for listening.
Lesson 3, built to last.
Can I tell you something?
You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits, as James Clear so aptly puts it. Let's dive deeper into what this really means for you and me. Think about the goals you've set: becoming richer, stronger, or smarter. Now consider your daily habits. Are they aligning with your aspirations? Often, our habits don't match our ambitions. Take Kobe Bryant's legendary work ethic, for example.
Tell me about it.
His daily habits, not just his talent, made him great. He didn't hope his way to greatness. He worked his way there. Start small, stay consistent. To build a new habit, begin with small, manageable steps.
Keep talking.
2 pages of reading daily or 10 minutes of exercise can be more effective than sporadic efforts.
So, here's what we can do.
Fix your environment. Make good habits easier and bad habits harder. Remove distractions, set up supportive systems, and surround yourself with people who encourage growth. Identity before outcome. Define yourself by your habits. Say, I'm a reader or I'm an athlete, and let that identity guide your actions.
How do I do that?
Build daily, deliberately.
What is your definition of success?
Success isn't about being motivated once. It's about showing up daily. 1 year of consistent effort can transform your life. So what habit will you start today? One small shift can change your future. You build greatness one habit at a time.
Thanks for listening.
Lesson 4, rewire for joy. Imagine waking up every day feeling grateful, energized, and at peace. Sounds like luck. Think again. Happiness is a skill you can build, and science backs it up.
Where did you learn that?
I learned this firsthand when I started prioritizing my mental well-being.
What is happiness?
Happiness isn't something you find. It's something you build. Not through magic or money, but through habits and brain chemistry.
Oh, Ma, tell me more.
Your brain runs on chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. A cocktail of joy if you know how to stir it.
Tell me more.
Science shows that daily actions literally rewire your brain. Want to build happiness? Try these evidence-based habits. 1. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's meaningful.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
2. Help someone or share a smile. Boost your oxytocin, the warm, fuzzy hormone. 3. Walk, dance, or stretch. Exercise triggers endorphins,
What does it do?
your body's built-in happy pills. 4. Breathe, slow down, and silence your mind.
Why should I do that?
Your brain needs it like your phone needs charging. Meet Sarah, who started practicing gratitude and saw a significant shift in her mood. Or Tom, who found joy in volunteering and connecting with others. Sustainable happiness isn't about perfection,
Then what is it about?
it's about progress. Next time you think, I'll be happy when... Component placement. Remember, happiness is right here, waiting for you to build it. One grateful thought, one act of kindness, one breath at a time.
How do I start?
Start small, be consistent, and watch your life transform. If this resonates with you, like, subscribe, and let's build a better, happier you together. Share your favorite happiness habits in the comments below. Lesson 5, the Fear Breaker. What if the biggest enemy you've ever faced wasn't a person, but a voice in your head?
Keep talking.
A voice that whispers, "You're not ready, you'll mess it up," or "People will laugh." This voice is fear, and it's a master manipulator.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Everyone feels fear, even the most successful people. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, but he didn't let fear define his future. Oprah Winfrey was told she was unfit for TV, but she proved her doubters wrong. J.K. Rowling faced rejection 12 times, yet she persisted. Fear convinces you to trade your dreams for safety, but safety never built empires or changed the world. You weren't born afraid. You learned it from failure, criticism, or disappointment.
That is a fact.
But here's the truth. Falling is part of flight.
Why is that?
Every great story comes after facing fear, shaking hands, and self-doubt. Fear shows you the fall, hides the rise, and buries the reward.
That's a loaded word.
But courage isn't being fearless. It's doing it scared. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, yet fear never broke him. He emerged stronger, not smaller. So what's stopping you? Fear of failure? Judgment? Starting something new? The truth is, what you fear most can be the very thing that grows you.
What should I do?
Next time fear shows up, don't run or negotiate. Look it in the eye and say, "You've lied to me for the last time." Because fear is a liar, and the truth is, you were born to rise.
Thanks for watching. Use the subscribe button. Please.